Okay, so let us continue this. Next naman is multiplication of decimal. So yun, sa multiplication of decimals, we have to count how many digits are on the right side of decimal point. Kasi yung number of times natin, we will be moving the decimal number going to left. Okay? So, let's have an example. So, number 3, 2.5 times negative 0.1. So, still we are going to apply the same rule on multiplication. So, as we can see here, we have to count the number of negative a factor. So, negative 1, we have only 1. So, that's why, since yun ay odd number, so we are expecting that our answer is negative. Now, so 2.5 times 0.1. So, as 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2. Now, we are already done on multiplication, multiplying this, but since here is the decimal point, and since we have 1 to decimal a digit on the right side of decimal, or what we call decimal number here, so we have to move to the left twice. Since again we have 2 digits to the left of decimal number, so 1 and 2, so 1, 2. So therefore the answer here is 0.25 negative, because we have one negative factor. So again, the final answer is negative 0.25. So okay, another example, still multiplication. So negative 3.18 times negative 0.23. Okay, negative 0.23. So by applying the rule of sign, so we have a negative here, so expected that our product is positive. Okay, so now let's multiply. Dito na yung multiply. So 3.18 times 0.23. Okay, ayan. So 3 times 8 is 54. 24. So then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, so we have 5. 3 times 3 is 9. The next is 2 times 8, 16. Then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. And we are done on multiplying this. So we have add this. Then we have 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 plus 3 is 13. So carry 1. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. So now let us count how many digits do we have on the right side of decimal, or what we call decimal number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So kung 4 siya, here is the decimal point, it is always on the last part or at the end of the product here. So we are going to move the decimal point to the right, to the left 4 times, kasi we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 decimal numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is 0.7314. So therefore the answer here is 0.7314 or 7. Okay, parang 7,314 10,000s. Ayan. Okay, 10,000s. So it is our answer. So, ganun na yung multiply ng decimal. So, again, since it is just a review of your lesson when you were in elementary. So, yan. Okay na? One more. For example, number 5. So, for example, we have 4 times negative 2.8. Ayan. Let's see. So, we have, ito na, ganyan, 2.8 times 4. Okay, 4 times 8, 32, carry 3, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3, that is 11. And since we only have one decimal number here, so therefore we have to move to the decimal point to the left one time only. So that's why our answer is 11.2. Ayan. Okay, ano sign? Let's see how many negative factors do we have here. We only have one, which is that's why the answer is negative. Ayan, so negative 11.2. Ayan yung multiplication. Okay? So, yun. Okay? And the next video naman yung division. Okay? Ito natin. Next ay division. So, is there an operation of decimal? Example number 6. Division naman tayo, ha? So, division ng objective, the divisor is always whole number. Okay? Say, for example, we have 0.5 divided by, say, for example, 3. Ayan. Okay. So, since ito yung divisor and this is the dividend, so, how will we write this? Atin ha, sa loob. Okay, huwag nyo ilalabas yan. So, by reviewing muna the sign, so, we have no negative, so, our answer is positive. Here we go. So, our divisor is whole number. So, therefore, no need na to move the decimal point kasi it's already a whole number. So, in this case, we have now going to divide na. Okay, we are going to divide na. But the problem here is it is decimal. Ayan. Decimal yan. Since ito whole number na, ito ay decimal. So, take note, we have to make this whole number. Okay, lahat ay whole number dapat. So, hindi pwedeng nakadecimal lang yan. Okay. So, in this case, mag-move tayo. Kasi the whole number ay divisor. Ito na may decimal pa. So, hindi pwede. Mahirap. Mahirap yun. So, ang gawin natin dito, move natin to one time. So, pero ito yung move rin one time. One time rin yan. So, therefore, we have now 30 as our divisor and our new dividend is 5 and our new divisor is 30. Okay? Ito na lang para mas mabilis lang siya. Ay basta lagi dapat whole number yun. Okay, or kung ilan yung decimal digit or number on the right side of decimal, yun yung number of times that we will be move the decimal point. In this case, isa lamang kay one time. Kung nag-move ka to the right, mag-move ka lang dito to the right. One time. Okay, so later I will be showing you na ito ay the same din ang division of fractions. Okay. So now, 5 divided by 30 is 0. Okay, so 0 times 30 is 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now, magdadagdag tayo nito ng 0. The moment na magdagdag ka rito ng 0, magdadagdag ka ng decimal din. Okay? So then, bring down 0. So, 50 divided by 30 is 1. Okay. So, 1 times 30 is 30. And 50 minus 30, we have 20. So, add another 0. Okay, 200. So, 200 divided by 30 is, yan, 6. 6 times 30 is 180. 20. Minus tayo dyan, ha. Then, add another 0. Aba, nabalabang ballpen. So, as you can see, paulit-ulit na lang siya, paulit-ulit na lang. So, 6 times 3 is 180. Paulit-ulit na lang. So, meaning to say, repeating na yung decimal digit na 16. So, therefore, the answer here is 0.16. Yan. Repeating yung digit na 16. Or pwede rin namang 0.166. Yan, pwede ganyan. Okay, ito ha. Ito yung repeated lang. Okay. So, our answer here is, malabo ng ballpen ay ito or ito. Nababasa nyo. Ayan. May tatlong tuldok dito. Yan nangyari sa ballpen na to. Okay. So, yun. Yung ating final answer. Since our, and again, both, we have no negative here. Wala tayong negative. So, therefore, our quotient is positive. Okay? So, yan. Basta division ng decimal, lagi na may yung fraction ay yung divisor ay whole number. Oras ng decimal point dapat. And then also the dividend dapat ganon. So, yun. Hindi pwede si divisor lang. So, kanina, divisor, hindi pwedeng decimal siya. Dapat should be whole number. So, dividend is the same. Okay? Now, I will be showing you ito the same din ng ano. I-post mo nga muna. Okay, continue tayo. May ballpen na ulit. So, again, ito kasi, the same din yan ng division ng fractions. Okay? So, since 0.5 is the same word ng, di ba, ang 0.5 is 1/2 din siya. Anyway, ito whole number naman. So, now, so meaning to say, itong 0.5 divided by 3 is the same with 1/2 divided by 3. O, sige ito. 1/2 divided by 3 or in this way, 1/2 divided by 3. Diba sa fraction, division ng fraction, if there's a fraction involved, whether it is on the numerator or denominator, still you have to apply fraction. So therefore, 1/2 divided by 1/3 reciprocate the divisor or denominator. So reciprocal ng 3 is 1/3. Diba? 1/3. And then, it is already multiplication. So in this case, 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. Diba? Ayun, no? So, 1 divided by 6. Ay, since para silang whole number na, so 1 divided by 6, 0. Then, 0 times 6 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Add whole na, 0. Then, decimal na dito. Okay? See, then, bring down 0 dito. 10 divided by 6 is 1. And 1 times 6 is 6. Okay? Then minus 6, 4. And then, add another 0. Then 0. 40 divided by 6 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Ayan na. Repeating na yan. Ulit na ulit, di ba? Ayan, no? Para dagdag lang ng dagdag 0, dagdag dito. And then 6. So, repeating na siya. Repeating na. So, yun. Okay? So, therefore, our answer is 0.166. So, ito yun ha. Tingnan nyo mabuti. 0.16 with a bar, or it could be 0.166 and so on and so forth. So, meaning, the repeating digit is 6. Ayan. So, the final answer is 0.16 with the bar or 0.16. 6 and so on and so forth. Kung estimate mo siya, 0.17. Pero hindi mo tayo estimate the exact number. Ayun ha. So again, in decimal, dapat whole number for us, fraction or, divisor and dividend. So kung alin yung mas marami, yun yung bilang natin sa move. Okay? Sige, another example. Ito naman. Say we have 3.8 negative divided by 1 point or negative 1.12. Ayan. Okay. So, dito, ang decimal digit natin ito, pinakamarami ito. Okay. So, ito lang. So, ito mangyari niyan. Now, ano ito? Negative ba ito? Dahil ito nag-negative na. So, dalawang negative na. So, therefore, we have 2 negative involved. We expected that our answer is positive. Kasi, even. Hindi siya add. So, siya ay even. Now, so, again, ito yung nasa loob, ito yung nasa labas, ito yung divisor, ito yung dividend. So, you have 3.8 divided by 1.12. Now, since, dapat whole number, so, we will move here twice to the right. So, ito twice din 1, 2. So, therefore, our new dividend here is 380. And our new divisor is 112. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya. Let us now divide. 380 divided by 112 is, I think, 3? 3 siya. So, 3 times, edi 6. 3. Yan, tama. 3 so minus. So, ito ay maging 10. Ito ay magiging, ito ay kanina. So, naghiram ng ano. So, ito ay 7. So, 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Yan, add 0. So, agad kang 0 dito. First time ka mag-add ng 0, automatic yung katapat ay decimal. So, bring down 0. 440 divided by 112. Okay? So, kung siya ay 4, so, sobra siya kasi 48. So, still 3 pa rin tayo. So, 3 times 1 is 336. So, ito ay 3. 10 minus tayo. 10 minus 6 is 4. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 6 is 1. 104. Okay, so add 0 again. Ayun, sila pala sa ulit. Mali na ako. Dito, so dagdag 0. So, 140 divided by 112. Ayan, so I think siya ay 80. Ano na, not 80 pati. 80. Kung 9 siya, so let's see, try nga natin dito. Try natin. 112 times 9 ko na lang. 18. 9 times 1, 9 is 0. Ayan, okay pala. 9. So, ibig sabihin 9. 9 tayo. So, that is, so, 9. 9 times 12, 18. So, 18. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 1, that is 0. And 9 times 1, so, yun. We have, subtract, we have 32. Bakit? Kasi ito ay mag-1 ng 1 dito ng 10. So, yung 4 magiging 3. Then, this 1, 0 is now 10. Kaya 10 minus 8. Okay, 3 minus. Okay. 3 minus 0, 3. Ayan. So, 32. Then, add another 0. 0. So, mahaba siya. So, 320 divided by 112 is, kung ano, hindi ka ito lang. So, 224 minus again. Mahaba, diba? Ganun lang. Ito ay 1. So, magiging itong 10 minus 4 is 6. 1, hindi rin pwede. 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. So, 94 naman. So, mahaba siya. Now, for the sake ang haba na kasi ng video. Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang, ha? So, approximately, the answer is 3.39. Approximately, ha? Pero ay, okay, positive. Kasi dalawa in negative na involved. Pag dalawa hindi siya, so even siya, meaning positive. So, for the sake lang, ha? Approximate. Yan. 3.39. Okay? So, yun yung multiplication and division. Okay? Ayan. Okay.